Hey there, health enthusiasts. It's Leo M from Health Spiffy, and today we're diving into a spicy topic that packs a punch not just in flavor but also in its potential health benefits. So, grab your favorite mug, because we're talking about what happens when you start consuming ginger daily. Spoiler alert, it's not just about adding a zing to your recipes. Let's get spiffy. Segment 1. The Ginger Introduction. Now, before we unveil the wonders of daily ginger consumption, let's start with a quick intro to this humble yet powerful root. Ginger, scientifically known as Zingiber officinale, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. But what makes it so special? Well, it's loaded with bioactive compounds, the most notable being gingerol, which is responsible for its unique flavor and impressive medicinal properties. Segment 2. Anti-inflammatory powerhouse. First up on our ginger journey is its anti-inflammatory prowess. Picture this: your body as a superhero defending against inflammation, the silent culprit behind many chronic diseases. Ginger steps in as the sidekick, armed with anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce oxidative stress and calm the inflammation battleground. It's like giving your body a mini spa day from the inside. Segment 3. A digestive dynamo. Now, let's talk about the digestive magic of ginger. If you've ever experienced that uncomfortable bloated feeling or, let's be honest, the occasional tummy trouble, ginger might become your digestive superhero. It aids in smooth digestion by relaxing the intestinal muscles and promoting a more efficient digestive process. So, wave goodbye to post-meal discomfort and say hello to a happier belly. Segment 4. Immune-boosting bonanza. Cue the drum roll for our next point: ginger's role in giving your immune system a boost. It's like a shield for your body. The antioxidants in ginger contribute to a robust immune response, potentially fending off those pesky seasonal bugs. So, imagine ginger as your personal bodyguard, standing tall and ready to defend your well-being. Segment 5. Managing blood sugar levels. Shifting gears a bit, let's talk about something sweet, or rather, the regulation of sweetness in your blood. Some studies suggest that ginger may play a role in managing blood sugar levels. It's like having a vigilant guardian, helping to keep the glucose levels in check and promoting overall metabolic health. Sweet deal, right? Segment 6. A brain-boosting elixir. Now, let's give a nod to the brain-boosting potential of ginger. As we age, the fear of cognitive decline looms large. But fear not. Ginger might come to the rescue. Preliminary research suggests that the antioxidants and bioactive compounds in ginger could have neuroprotective effects, supporting brain health and potentially reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Segment 7. Soothing muscle soreness. Gym enthusiasts, this one's for you. Ever pushed yourself a bit too hard and woke up feeling like you've been hit by a truck? Well, ginger might be your post-workout ally. Some studies propose that ginger's anti-inflammatory properties could help alleviate muscle soreness and accelerate recovery. It's like a comforting hug for your tired muscles. Segment 8. The battle against menstrual pain. Ladies, let's talk about something many of us have experienced: the monthly battle against menstrual pain. Ginger enters the scene as a potential natural remedy. Some studies suggest that its anti-inflammatory properties might help ease the discomfort associated with menstrual cramps. Mother Nature's gift to make those tough days a bit more manageable. Segment 9. Potential cancer-fighting warrior. Now, let's tread carefully into the realm of ongoing research. While it's essential to emphasize that ginger isn't a cure-all, some studies suggest its potential in inhibiting the growth of certain cancer cells. The gingerol compounds, once again, take center stage in this potential cancer-fighting role. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Segment 10. Heart health harmony. Cue the heartbeat for our next point: ginger's potential positive impact on heart health. Research indicates that ginger may contribute to lower cholesterol levels and assist in maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. It's like giving your heart a supportive nudge towards wellness. Segment 11. Healthy weight management. For those on a quest for a spiffy physique, ginger might be a secret weapon. Some studies propose that ginger could aid in weight management by enhancing thermogenesis and reducing feelings of hunger. It's not a shortcut to fitness, but it could be a flavorful addition to your healthy lifestyle toolkit. Segment 12. How to incorporate ginger daily. Now that we've covered the impressive benefits, you might be wondering, how can I incorporate ginger into my daily routine? Fear not, fellow health enthusiasts. Whether it's adding grated ginger to your morning smoothie, sipping on ginger tea, or including it in your savory dishes, the options are as diverse as they are delicious. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. The spiffy lowdown on what happens when you start consuming ginger daily. From inflammation-fighting heroics to potential brain-boosting elixirs, ginger proves that good things do come in spicy packages. As always, remember that individual responses may vary, and it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet. If you found this exploration of ginger's wonders as exciting as I did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more spiffy content, and share this video with your fellow health enthusiasts. Until next time, stay spiffy and stay healthy. Leo M, signing off from Health Spiffy. Cheers to a spicier, healthier you.